Brother Genuine Cartridge, LC2053PKS is a Brother Genuine 3-pack of color ink cartridges that produces exceptional quality. Includes one cartridge each of cyan, magenta yellow. Yields up to 1200 pages cartridge. These replacement super high-yield color ink cartridges yield approximately 1200 pages cartridge in accordance with ISO, IEC 24711, letter A4 standards. Seamless integration. These professional replacement color ink cartridges create vibrant color prints, engineered to work in seamless unison with your Brother INKJET printer. For use with Brother INKJET printers, MFCJ4320DW, MFCJ4420DW, MFCJ4620DW, MFCJ5520DW, MFCJ5620DW, MFCJ5720DW. Top reviews from the United States. Problem using LC207 cartridges. We have an older Brother fax machine that originally indicated LC205 as the primary cartridge. LC203 is listed as an alt for BK. It does work. The LC205-209 is listed for color cartridges. LC205 has been the identified appropriate cartridge, but they are difficult, impossible to buy. LC207-209 do not. Frustrating. We now have assorted cartridges that won't work in the machine. $wasted.